We started off our trip to Hampi from Pune, a 12-hour long road trip. Due to the road conditions, which are quite good, we did not feel the exhaustion much, and the Karnataka roads were even more smoother. And in 12 hours, we reached our destination, Hampi. And this is the road to our resort or hotel, Hotel Mayura Bhuvaneshwari, which is a government property, KSTDC owned property. And we reached there and we found it to be quite green. बहुत अच्छा लगा. These are the wooden cottages. We did not get the opportunity to stay here. We got the opportunity to stay in the domes, which you can see right in front of us. हम डोम स्टे में रहे एंड यहाँ पे द रूम was quite spacious, I would say, as you can see now. Under it is well lit, AC, all the facilities were there, the kettles, cupboards, toiletries, everything was present. It was neat and clean, hygienic, quite spacious. The bathroom also was quite spacious. So yeah, no regrets, no complaints. It was good. It is a 60-year-old property, so understandably thoda bahut it doesn't look like, you know, sparking new, but it was good. It was a good property. शाम को फिर हम हम्पी में फर्स्ट आवर डेस्टिनेशन विजय विठल टेम्पल के लिए गए एंड द फर्स्ट लुक इटसेल्फ mesmerized us. It took us to a old era, a completely different era altogether. Look at this. And we entered the temple. और हमें लगा ही नहीं कि हम 21st century में हैं. We actually time traveled to a new place and a new era altogether. हम लॉन्ग वीकेंड पे गए थे तो थोड़ा रश था, बट स्टिल इट वॉज वेरी 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 ब्यूटिफुल. विजय विठला टेम्पल इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेस देयर. Highly recommended. You should carry you should call a tourist guide to accompany you to understand the beauty, to understand the magnanimity of the place. Or these are different mandapas that you can see behind me. Each mandapa dedicated to each art form or each different types of rituals that were followed there. My favorite is this one, where the musical instrument were the pillars itself. You can see the pillars here. If you play these pillars, they produce sound, which is so beautiful, and each pillar different types of instruments you can play there, like different instrument sounds come from there. I have attached a scanner which you can scan, and you can also hear one type of instrument that are played from these pillars. This one. ये जगह इतनी सुंदर है that I had to click some pics there, as you can see. And this is the 50 rupees notes chariot we found in Hampi, this temple. 150-year-old tree, very beautiful. यहाँ से फिर हम निकल लिए विरूपाक्षा टेम्पल के लिए. Absolutely divine experience here. Day 2 started with the Queen's Bath, absolutely beautiful and a huge space for the occasional weekend spa of the Queen. It has Indo-Islamic influence, we can see over here. Beautiful. यहाँ से गए हम लोटस टेम्पल. So in Hampi there are 1200 temples that have been restored as of now. और हम अभी और एक क्वींस में आए हैं. How are you feeling? Hot. It is hot. लेकिन thankfully it's very windy, so it's not that bad. In 2 days you can see maximum this much that we have covered, but it is absolute beautiful. Now this is a secret chamber जहाँ पे spies आते थे, and they used to give some secret meetings that used to be held with the king. So this passage they used to use. The entire architecture, the planning, the design is absolutely stunning. time they used to pour hot water along with wood so that it gets melted और फिर stone में design किया जाता था. Terrific, right? फिर हम चले विरूपाक्षा टेम्पल डे टाइम विजिट के लिए, क्योंकि रात को सब इतना कुछ रह गया था, जैसे यहाँ पे लक्ष्मी से ब्लेसिंग एंड वॉचिंग द फेमस इन्वर्टेड शैडो. फिर हम निकल लिए तुंगभद्रा डैम के लिए एंड द डैम इज ह्यूज एंड ब्यूटीफुल. द रिटर्न डे वॉज हियर, तो हम कुछ बाकी साइड्स में गए एंड माई डॉटर हैड अ नाइस टाइम फीडिंग द स्क्विरल्स. बहुत अच्छा रहा, लेकिन हम्पी घूमने के लिए आपको मिनिमम 1 हफ्ता टाइम लेके जाना चाहिए, जो हमारे पास नहीं था. वापस आते आते हम पंढरपुर श्री विठल रुक्मिणी मंदिर गए एंड देन वी वेर बैक टू पुणे बाय द मिडनाइट. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.